What does the word living mean? Living means anything that has been alive or ever been alive. Animals are living things. Zebras, owls, and butterflies are living things. Frogs, alligators, whales, and bees are living things too. Plants are living things. Maple trees, pine trees, and palm trees are living things. Flowers are living things too. Lilies, asters, and sunflowers are all alive. Tomatoes, pumpkins, and corn are all plants. They are all living things too. People are living things too. People are humans. Humans are alive. All living things grow and change. Animals and people grow from babies to adults. Plants grow too. Plants grow from seeds to seedlings to a fully grown plant. All living things have basic needs to stay alive. All living things need water. All living things need space. Plants and animals need air. Plants need soil and sunlight. All animals and plants need food and energy. All living things reproduce. They make things just like themselves. All living things move too. There are living things all around us. There are non-living things all around us too. Rocks are non-living things. Clouds are non-living things. Water is a non-living thing too. Non-living things are not now nor have ever been alive. Non-living things do not grow. They do not reproduce. And non-living things do not need water, food, or air. Sometimes water, clouds, and rocks move, but they don't move under their own power. Rocks, clouds, and water are not alive and have never been alive. Now that you understand what living means, ask yourself this question. How can you tell if something is a living thing or a non-living thing? Think about it.